Hi kindergartners, today for math we are doing lesson 5-3 and we are going to be sorting into categories by counting. Here is our math video for today.
What does the picture show? The picture shows toy animals. What types of toy animals do you see? There are cats, dogs, bears, horses, a pig, and a goat. What are the two categories on the chart? These are teddy bears, and these are not teddy bears.
So they want us to categorize the toys by teddy bears and not teddy bears.
What do the tally marks represent?
So the tally marks are just like counters. So we count how many teddy bears we see. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tally marks, just like we would put 6 counters.
Each mark represents an object that fits in that category. How many
So we can also see that we have to count the ones that are not teddy bears. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then there are 9 tally marks to represent or to show how many are not teddy bears.
tally marks are in the teddy bear category? There are 6 tally marks in the teddy bear category. How many tally marks are in the not teddy bear category? 9 tally marks are in the not teddy bear category. Do the numbers match the number of tally marks?
So we write the number 6 because we see 6 are teddy bears. So we can show it with tally marks or by writing the number, and the same with this category, the category of not teddy bears. So we could show it by showing 9 tally marks, or we can show it by writing the number 9.
Yes, the numbers show the number of toy animals in each category. What are the arrows below the 6 and 9 pointing to? The arrows are pointing to where the numbers 6 and 9 are in the counting sequence.
So here's a number line. We can see 6 comes before 9 on a number line, which means it is a lesser number, which means there are less teddy bears than not teddy bears.
Category is greater. The toys that are not teddy bears. How do you know that category is greater?
One way we can tell that this category is greater is we can look with our eyes to see there look like there are more tally marks on this side of the chart than on this side. And then we can check to make sure there are more by looking at the numbers on the number line and seeing that 9 comes after 6 on the number line, which means it is a greater number.
9 comes after 6 in the counting sequence, so 9 is greater than 6. Which category is less? How do you know? Teddy bears is less. 6 comes before 9 in the counting sequence.
Now you know how to sort categories by counting.
Now we are going to take a look at the pages that you're going to do today. So they begin on page 261, and you are going to help Carlos categorize the toys that he has on the kindergarten playground. So you're going to look to see which ones have wheels and which do not have wheels. And then after that, you are going to categorize the blue crayons and the crayons that are not blue. And then another step that we're going to do today is circle which has more and cross out which has less. And you have to read the directions at the bottom because they might have you circle which is less or cross out which is more. You have to read the directions to see how you're going to compare them. So here we can see we're categorizing blocks, and we're looking to see how many have the letter A on them and how many do not have the letter A on them. And then you are going to categorize books, ones that are open and ones that are closed. And then balls and pencils and fish. And then lastly, you'll do some buttons. We're writing the number to tell how many we've counted. And it ends on page 266.